Yes, good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Let's make a quick, easy, and simple Mongolian beef. This is a great weeknight dinner idea. To get started, I have the beef already marinating and I'll be using some green and yellow onions. I have garlic and ginger, some regular soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, some oyster sauce, as well as some sugar, cornstarch, Chinese cooking wine. Let's jump right into the recipe. So today I'll be using ribeye steak. I did slice them super thin and cut them into bite sizes. Then I seasoned with some regular soy, sweet soy, and some oyster sauce. I also added a bit of cornstarch to that and I set aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now I will be leaving all the correct measurements and the ingredients that I use down in the description box. This recipe is super simple and it's absolutely delicious. You guys will love it. Now let's create our sauce by using some water. We'll add our oyster sauce, regular soy, sweet soy, cornstarch, Chinese cooking wine, as well as the sugar. We'll mix them all to combine and set aside. If you cannot find any of these ingredients, like you can find one of them, it's okay to leave that one out. To my preheated wok, I did add a bit of oil and now we will add that beef. We'll fry the beef for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to cook the beef too long because we don't want it tough and rubbery. So once the beef is nice and brown on both sides, we'll remove it and carry on with the same process. To the same wok, we'll add our onions as well as garlic and ginger. Give it a good mix and we'll allow it to go for about 2 minutes. You don't want to cook it too long because you still want the onions to have a nice crunch to it. This recipe, the onions and the beef are the star of the show. So you want to make sure they have a nice crunch to them and not overcooked. So at this point, you want to add that sauce and give it about a minute or so that it can thicken up. Once it thickens, we'll add the beef, give that a good stir, and that's it, guys. Our Mongolian beef is all done. It's quick, easy, and super simple. Perfect for a weeknight dinner when you don't feel like doing too much, but you want a nice home-cooked meal. So I did serve this up with some steamed white rice because, I just wanted to find the easier way out. But of course, you can have it with fried rice. You can have it with noodles, whatever you prefer. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and bye.